So first of all, in this video I want to make a live withdrawal. So what I will have to do now is to click on this my wallet icon over here to ask me to buy Catly or sell Catly. So what I have to do, click on is sell Catly, and it's going, as you can see, minimum withdrawal is 60 Catly. So first of all, let me click on this particular place that says, let me enter the available balance that I have. So I will enter 716.884. I'm withdrawing every single thing. So next thing I have to do now is to click on this particular place that says sell now, and as you can see now, the sold out is now pending. So after some minutes of confirmation, the withdrawal I made from that Catly landed on my account, and it's for free. I made it for free. So in today's video, we're going to talk about this Catly of a thing, how it started and how it's going right now. But before we continue, if in case this is your first time meeting my channel, or maybe you're one of my viewers but you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's nothing new. There's no big deal there. It's just a part of following me and also helping the channel to grow. And also don't forget to always drop a like on this particular video, on any video that I drop and you got value from it. If you got value from it, please drop a like on it and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And once you subscribe to the channel, click on this bell icon over here and turn on the all notification, so that whenever I drop a legit update, especially something like this that is going to make you any amount depending on your choice, you can also watch it. And also, just like this particular comment this guy gave for me over here now, don't forget to also give me this kind of comments, please. I really love it, and YouTube will help you with it. YouTube will promote my channel more for me, and that is a way of showing appreciation. And without saying much, let's dive into the main video. So once you follow the link in the description of this video to sign up to this particular platform, you will see this particular, it will bring you to this particular sign up place where you enter your valid email, create a password, confirm the password, solve this captcha, and don't worry, once you follow the link in the description, the invite code must be there. And remember, you must need the invite code to complete your registration. So once you're done registering, click on login and then enter the login detail. So once you're done entering the login details and solve the captcha given to you to show that you are not a robot, click on sign in, and it's going to take you over to where your account is. I don't really know how the sign up is going to be now, because before they were dealing with Binance Smart Chain, but right now they are now dealing with Matic network, that is Polygon network, because they talk about Binance and the congestion and everything. So I don't really know how the sign up is going to be now, but that back then they asked us for our Binance Smart Chain USDT wallet address, which they sent. Once we enter the wallet address there from our Binance account, you need to be a Binance user before you can be using this particular platform. So once you copy your Binance wallet address from your Binance account and paste it there, they're gonna send some little USDT to your account, which you copy it as a verification code. Copy that exact amount and then impute it where they ask you to impute it, and they are gonna reward you with 500 Catly token. So what is this Catly? Catly is a meme token. Let's go over to their website and see more about it. Catly is a meme token. Don't worry, I told in this video you will see how to be making any amount of your money depending on what you can afford to use on the platform. You can also earn for free on it. As in, for me, I have not invested any personal money on the platform, so I've withdrawn countless of USDT, around, let me call it $10 worth of it, but I have not been recording it because I was just withdrawing, sometimes $2, $3. It might be around 15, because I keep on withdrawing until my staking have expired and other things follow. So just watch this video well and see how it's working. So as you can see, it says let's create 100x meme token together and blah 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 blah. You can check out and watch about it Catly. So $1 worth of Catly is currently worth 0.004 Catly. So and the buyback is 0.0333 Catly per USDT. So and every other thing, as you can see, if you go over to their roadmap, you see all these things. Guys. This is the token contract address, which if you can add it to your account, but not yet. So you can see that in their phase 2, there will be their centralized exchange listing, coin market cap listing, Congo listing, partnership, 5 million market cap, and 100,000 holders. Phase 3 and everything. So I think we are in phase 1 right now. We are in phase 1 right now because they are targeting 10,000 holders. Website launching of token staking, and the token staking is the one that we are in now. So they have given us 500 pieces of the token as a sign-up bonus to stake it. So what do you have to do? You will see it on your available balance, where this my own is showing 800, but the one that I stake have been done. So your airdrop will automatically pledge for 15 days. So my own have automatically done for 15 days and it's no more staking for me, and right now I want to start another staking. So if you go over to my history here, you will see all these things, and this particular 717 Catly is the one that I withdrew previously on this video. So if you be scrolling down, you see I keep on withdrawing. I'm not lying to you guys, I keep on withdrawing from the platform. Most of the times I keep on withdrawing. This one is 419, this one is 214, but for this one 105. A lot of Catly is what I've been withdrawing on the platform. They used to be leaving 30 Catly as a withdrawal, as minimum withdrawal, but now minimum withdrawal is 60 Catly. So what you have to do as a new user, first of all, is to go over to the platform, and this particular place right here now, click on this B over here. You will see this place that says stake. So you will stake the 500 Catly being given to you. Like this particular one now, I'm having 307.258 Catly on my account. The staking is going to last for 15 days. That is 2 weeks plus a day. 15 days. After 15 days, it will return both your capital and your gain for you. So what you have to do is to first of all stake the 500 pieces of Catly being given to you. But since I've staked my own before, in my previous video, I will stake this particular 307 one that I have here. So 307.248. I'm gonna stake all. So once I'm done with it, I will click on this particular, I will scroll up a bit, and you see, according to them, they says after staking you will start generating income at the next day. That is the 24th of today. And staking, after the 15 days staking, the money, your capital will automatically be unstaked for you and returned to your account, which will be available for you to withdraw or restake. So it's all for you. So if I click on this particular place that says stake now, you will see right now that I have staked successfully.